Hello, I'm Tracy Burt of the Treasure Box Club. I wanted to talk to you for a minute this month about the Tim Holtz Distressed Rock Candy Stickles that came in your kit. And I wanted to show you some fun things that you can do with them. Now the Distressed Stickles, like regular stickles, you of course can use by just squirting a line out wherever you would want on your project. We are going to be using it on the stance. You'll just need to cut out 2 or 3 rows of your stance, squirt on some stickles, and just use your finger to smush it around. And while it's still wet, it doesn't look like anything special, but once it dries, it's very sparkly and just adds a really nice little touch to it. If you're in a hurry for it to dry, with the Distressed Stickles, you can heat set it with your heat tool. However, you cannot do that with regular stickles, just so you don't mess up the project you're working on with different stickles. Now the stamps, here is how they turn out. I've got it's got the stickles, it's dried and I've trimmed it out, and then I have inked the edges with some tea dye distress ink from Tim Holtz. And hopefully the shiny is showing in the picture there. And I wanted to show you some other places where I've used the stickles. Here on this Merry Christmas layout, I filled in the lamp light with just a whole bunch of stickles and let it dry. Now this did take a little while to dry because it had a bunch of stickles in there, but it has a really cool effect, almost like it's covered with crystals from ice. And then very similarly, I've done it on the deer in this layout. But some other fun times that I have used stickles are in this class that I took from Tim Holtz last year, which I'll be teaching at Remember When in February. But in here, we used the Prima flowers and inked them and then added the stickles. And what's really neat is the distress ink reacts with water. So when you use your distress stickles on there, it causes a reaction with the ink and let it bleed a little bit, and just added some really nice shimmer to the flowers. Let me show you another one. Oh, there you go. It turned out really nicely on this one, I think. But the Distress Stickles are just another fun product from Ranger that I hope you will enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye.